Captain's log. The first officer needs shelves. I think this was first expressed back in August.
I need shelves.
I need a new kitchen. The kitchen's tile countertops are quite literally cracking apart under the pressure of being part of our kitchen. And the cabinets lack a certain usefulness / non-ugliness. Hey, kitty. Even still, I admittedly found myself exhibiting uncaptain-like levels of procrastination. As I secretly wondered, did I still have the grit necessary for such a mission? Facing my destiny, I reminded myself of my motto, to boldly go. Ooh, love these jammies. So I girded my loins, prepped my life support, and boarded the shuttlecraft as I prepared myself to face one of my old nemesises, nemesi, whatever. You get the picture. IKEA. Calling upon my years of experience with such risky missions, I steadied my nerves and prepped for the challenge ahead with some stretches. Before entering the alien complex. Cautiously, I rode the escalator up to the second level and was greeted by a diverse plethora of other captains and crews from other starships milling about. Apparently, they too had ship repairs and upgrades that were so desperately needed, they were willing to face this treacherous alien maze. Yes, that curtain is just fine. Trying to stay on course, I began to follow the light arrows. Can I tell you, I don't really like arrows I know I'm supposed to follow. I get a rebellious thrill whenever I cut through a section with absolutely no intention of looking at whatever it contains. Ha ha, IKEA! I have no need for your entertainment centers. Ooh, look at that. I'm just a renegade pilot without a flight plan. Arriving at my first stop, I knew I must gather as many ideas for the kitchen as possible, and we all know what that means. Pictures. You know, IKEA, you're not that great. Same darn kitchens and the same darn colors.
Ooh, look green!
All right, you clever rascals. You green cabinet-making, organizational problem-solving elves. I'll admit it, you've tempted me with your well-priced cleverness and mass appeal styling. I take 2,000 photos so that I can discuss every detail later with the first officer. You're welcome, honey. And then dutifully follow the lighted arrows to the closet area. Of course, the shelves aren't actually in the closet area. They are stored in some other secret area of this alien complex. I take a picture of the code I'll need to locate said shelves when suddenly something catches my eye. Look at this little beauty, a solid pine dresser. My furniture artist heart starts to race as I begin to imagine the limitless possibilities of color, texture, styles, and literature-inspired designs I could create. Well, very reasonable if purchasing for one's home, but not so much if one is a flipper. I think I'll put a pin in that idea for now and come back to it later. My pine dresser-inspired thoughts are interrupted when I realize I have reached the IKEA basement and am immediately tempted by a universe of stuff I do not need, yet suddenly desperately want. What's this? IKEA has a display example of what one of their little pine nightstands would look like painted. Nice color. Ooh, raised grain. Feels like somebody forgot to sand. Oh, IKEA, don't feel bad. We all can feel tempted to skip this incredibly important step. Here, I'll leave you my card. Always happy to help any multi-billion-dollar company in need. Even with my secret code, I struggle to find the shelves I need, and so an IKEA crew member tells me that they will get an official confirmation that there are in fact shelves in stock. I can respect that, I think to myself, as I recall the last time I sent out an official confirmation request to the crew. Please confirm that you have put all the groceries away and have cleaned the cat barf off the dining room rug, and I mean it. In the end, I make it out of IKEA in one piece, having only stood in the furniture pickup line for 15 minutes, and with a respectable non-essential purchase of just 2 bags of meatballs, 1 meat and 1 meat substitute, and some Swedish pancakes. Back on our starship, the crew is thrilled. They have Swedish pancakes. The first officer is pleased. He has shelves. I grumble something about the dangers of sending the captain on a solo mission of such magnitude, and am coolly reminded that the new closet system was my idea in the first place, and that the first officer has not had shelves for his uniforms for several months. I tell him how much I deeply appreciate his logic and promise to repay his wise insights with a shared viewing of the 2,000 kitchen photos I have taken. With his typical unswerving loyalty, he pours me a glass of wine, and we settle on the couch to do just that.
Ooh, I like the green.
Fascinating. No, it's perfect. No, when I say action, give me like just, a half second. And then pop in, I need shelves. You can say it quickly, but just make sure we can hear it. And action.
I need shelves.
I need shelves? I need
shelves.
Okay. See the new, check your angle there. Check this angle right there. Right, there we go. Right. Boom. Hold. And go.
I need shelves.